Each of the last two major releases of SQL Server has added support for additional programming languages right on the database server. In 2016, support was added for R, and in 2017, Python was added to what is now known as machine learning services. That trend continues in SQL Server 2019 with the addition of Java to the list of supported languages, as well as some other new enhancements. The Java language extension allows data scientists to call precompiled Java programs and securely execute Java code on SQL Server. This reduces the need to move data out of the server or big data cluster before it can be processed. Microsoft describes this as bringing your workloads closer to your data rather than taking your data to the workload. You specify the Java runtime that you want to use by installing the Java development kit of your choice. Currently, the Oracle Java SE and Zulu OpenJDK distributions are recommended, and both of those use Java version 8. When installing Java on Windows with the development kit, it's highly recommended that you use the default Windows Program Files folder. If you install in another location, extra configuration steps will need to be undertaken in order to grant the proper permissions to the Java executable files. When installing the Java extension on Linux, you'll simply use the operating system's package manager and install the package called mssql-server-extensibility-java. This will automatically install and configure the JRE8 Java runtime environment. Machine learning services will work when added to a custom-built Docker container, but as of this recording, that functionality is not supported yet. Look for official SQL Server on Linux Docker images that contain the MLS extension from Microsoft in the near future. The addition of Java is clearly the big new feature in machine learning services, but there are some minor improvements worth noting. One of them is called input data partitioning. Without changing your machine learning scripts, you can now process data at the table partition level. This allows you to train a model for each table partition and parallelizes model training per partition. And as mentioned in the last chapter, all of the programming languages included in machine learning services on Windows are now also supported on Linux. This includes adding the R and Python extensions to the new support for Java. And you can now install machine learning services on a failover cluster, something that you couldn't do in previous versions. And that's what's new in machine learning services. With SQL Server 2019, Microsoft continues to expand on the capabilities of machine learning services and, in the process, creates a deeper integration between the data platform and data science.